Okay. Okay, Titus. I want 3 oranges.
Yep.
4 apples.
Yeah.
And 2 pineapples.
3 oranges. What else?
4 apples.
4 apples.
And 2 pineapples.
2 pineapples.
You forgot the orange. Look, that orange is too. How many is there all together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wait, let's see again. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job! Oh, I didn't know it did that. He ate the fruit. Okay, well, let's put the fruit back. Now it's the horse's turn.
He ate the fruit.
Okay. Okay, Titus. I want 3 pears, 2 pineapples, and 4 grapes.
4 grapes.
Mm-hmm.
4 grapes.
What else did I ask for?
What is it?
3 pineapples? 3 pineapples?
3 pineapples. And what?
No, I said 3 pineapples, not 3 pears.
3 pineapples.
I forgot what I even asked for. Okay. And 4 pears. 4 pears. Okay, now add them together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Wait, let me see. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, you count too fast. Okay, but I changed my mind. I don't want any pineapples. Take the pineapples out. Now how many do I have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
Are you hate being basic to get pineapples?
I don't like pineapples.
Why?
I don't like them.
Why? Tell me. That why you don't like them?
Because horses don't like pineapples. I changed my mind.
Because they make you sick?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now it's this bird's turn. Okay. Let's put the fruit back ready to go. Because she's gonna order food. This one's a girl. Let's make this one a girl. Let's put the fruit back
Yeah.
so she can order. Hello, Titus.
Yeah.
I want some fruit. I want 7 apples.
Yeah.
That's all I want. I just want 7 apples.
Yeah. 7 apples.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 6. Got it. Crazy guy.
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I've changed my mind. These are too many apples for me. Take 3 away.
Hank.
Now how many do I have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yummy. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, next turn. Barney's gonna want some food. It's Barney's turn. My favorite color is purple, so I want grapes.
Okay.
I want 5 grapes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I remembered my friend is coming to my house, so I want 3 more. How many is there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job. I love purple. Nom, 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 nom,
You just
nom,
have
nom.
to take them.
Okay, I have to take them. Okay. Let's see, what's the next one? This lizard. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's see. Titus.
Yeah.
I want some pears and bananas. I want 4 pears and 3 bananas.
Okay. 4 pears and 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. But you know what would taste good?
Yeah.
Some pineapple. I want 3 pineapples.
3.
Yeah. How many is all together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. This fruit is good.
Well, watch this. See?
Oh no, it's stuck in my mouth. I can't close my mouth. It's too big. Take it out.
I can't get out.
So can you take it out?
No.
Oh, there you go.
Excuse me. Let's put another one.
What are you gonna put inside now?
Which one now?
It doesn't come out.
Yeah, it's got to be a way to escape.
Can you take it out? What did we say? What's the
I'm
rule
taking it
today?
out.
Yeah, but what's the rule?